Hello coin engineers and welcome to another great video where we will talk about a free NFT mint of Metapixel. Metapixel is an MMORPG game and it's not only a game but it has a partnership with Aptos Labs itself, and it's a promising project just like the Rise Online game on Avalanche network. As you guys can remember that we had a video about Rise Online 2, and we are waiting more or less the same thing from Metapixel. They might even make an airdrop if they decide to have some tokens, if they wanna create a DAO, or they might make an airdrop of in-game items in NFT format and then you can sell them if you want, or if you wanna play the game you can use those items. So let's not keep you waiting anymore. We will teach you how to mint the early supporter NFT and test their game in the public community testnet. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell in order to get every video about huge opportunities just like this one. If you're ready, let's start. Let's start the video with checking Metapixel's Twitter account. As you can see guys, Aptos is following them and we already told you that they are partners with Aptos network, the Aptos Labs itself. The game more or less looks like this one. I've already said that Gran Saga Unlimited is an MMORPG game and you can see a video of a boss fight. And if you want, you can just play this boss fight by yourself. I'll show you how to do it in the end of the video, so don't forget to watch it till the end. Now let's talk about how to mint our Metapixel Early Adopter NFT and how to play the game in the community testnet. To do that, click on the link in the descriptions to open up Topaz NFT Marketplace, which is the biggest NFT marketplace on Aptos network. After opening the landing page of Topaz, you'll be able to see the Metapixel Early Adopter NFT announcement. Click on the Learn More button and then click on Mint Now. As you guys can already see that I've claimed my NFT for free. The price is 0 Aptos. The only thing that you will pay is the cheap transaction fees on Aptos blockchain. And it says that it will end in 18 days. But if the claimed number goes up faster, they might close the minting. So you better hurry up and mint your NFT without waiting anymore. There are some things that you must do to claim your NFT. And don't be scared, they are free and easy. First of all, you must join Metapixel Discord server. And then you must sign up Metapixel's website, and then you'll be able to claim your early adopter role in their Discord servers. Don't forget to click 4 of those buttons. And then go to Twitter account, follow their account, and like and retweet their announcement tweet. After completing those 3 missions, you'll be able to see the verified text just near them. And after you see those 3 verified icons, you will be able to claim your Metapixel Early Adopter NFT for free, guys. Click on the claim button and accept the message coming from your wallet. And that's it. There's nothing more to do to claim your early adopter NFT. You'll be able to see your NFT in the profile section of your wallet. And now it's time to talk about the Gran Saga Unlimited, the game itself. What will we do? The game has opened its first community test and it will end at March 27th. So you better hurry up. Go to the link in the descriptions to open their website. Also, you can open this website through the button in the NFT claiming page. And all you have to do is clicking on the play now button if you are using a PC. If you are using a Mac, unfortunately you will not be able to play the game right now, but I'd strongly suggest you to play this game somehow because community test may give an airdrop. And that's all for this video. To sum up, we have claimed an early adopter NFT of Metapixel and we will be participating in the first community test of Gran Saga Unlimited. If you encounter any bugs or errors or crashes through the community test, don't forget to post those in Metapixel's Discord server, because in the community test, the best thing you can do is posting a bug that you've encountered, since These actions help the game and developers really much, and those are what they are expecting you to do. And of course, if you encounter any bugs, your chance to get an airdrop or a reward really increases. Thanks for watching until the end. If you like this video, if you found this video useful, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to see more opportunities just like this one. Take care, see you in the next video.